At Bob Boldt HVAC, we pride ourselves on being a top choice for HVAC services in Burnsville, Minnesota and the surrounding areas. Our team of skilled technicians specializes in air conditioning repair, furnace repair, heating services, and air duct cleaning, among other HVAC-related solutions. Whether you need an air conditioner repair, system installation, or regular maintenance, we are committed to ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. Do you offer emergency HVAC services? Yes, at Bob Boldt HVAC, we offer emergency HVAC services to ensure you're never left without heating or cooling when you need it most. Whether it's a sudden air conditioner repair, a furnace breakdown, or any other HVAC emergency, our team is ready to respond quickly and efficiently. What types of HVAC services do you offer? At Bob Boldt HVAC, we offer a wide range of HVAC services to ensure your home stays comfortable throughout the year. Our services include air conditioner repair, furnace repair, system installation, and regular maintenance to keep your heating and cooling systems running efficiently. We also provide air duct cleaning, air conditioning system replacement, and thermostat installation to improve your home's air quality and overall system performance. What is your service area? Our Bob Boldt HVAC serve the following Minnesota locations: Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Eagan, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, Edina, Burnsville, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office located? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, https://bobhvac.com/burnsville-hvac/